If you want to enhance your eBay account security, removing old devices from your security settings is a good practice. Follow these simple steps to manage your devices. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section typically found under your profile or account name. Look for Account Settings or Security Settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Security or Security Settings. This section contains options related to your account security, including device management. Step 4. Manage Devices. Look for an option labeled Manage Devices or Trusted Devices. Here, you will see a list of devices that have accessed your account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to delete them from your account. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure the devices are successfully removed. By following these steps, you can keep your eBay account secure and ensure that only your current devices have access. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a good habit to maintain account safety.